So you're telling me that this 3-foot-tall chick that tried to kill me is actually this Clifford DeVoe?
Oh yeah, 100% dude.
DeVoe is transferring his consciousness to the other bodies of all the other people who are on the bus and got their powers with you.
Wait, this little girl wants my body?
That's why we're trying to protect you. DeVoe's already taken most of his targets.
No, this ain't happening, not now. I only got my powers recently, and now it's like I've got a deeper connection to my music than I've ever had. I'm about to record the rest of my new album. I'm about to go on
Your album
tour.
can wait. This threat is real.
So is my big break. Do you have any idea how hard I've had to work for?
The Kentucky State Police, and at the request of the Kenton County Police, is looking for Chase Coffin-Jans and Nolan Ruth Satz. The were last seen 5 hours ago at St. Pius X School, and Chase was last seen wearing a gray shirt with khaki shorts. Nolan is wearing a blue shirt with black shorts. Please stand by for further information. The following message is at the request of the Kenton Police Department and the Kentucky State Police. This is not a test. Approximately 5 minutes ago, Kentucky State Police has found blue sharp quills in the yard of the school where Chase and Nolan is missing from. Citizens are reminded to not go to the school as it is under investigation on what has happened. If you know whereabouts or have any knowledge, please contact 1-859-201-5121. Again, that is 1-859-201-5121. The emergency alert system has been activated.
Firsthand that these amazing weirdos, they won't bail. They created a buddy system for me. And if you'll stay, they'll keep you safe.
DeVoe wasn't supposed to walk away from this.
Yeah, well, he did. Because of me.
They all tried to protect her.
I built the inhibitors now. If it failed, it's my fault. I don't even know why. Maybe I overestimated the microcombustion infrastructure, or maybe I...
We interrupt filming. This is a national emergency. The following message is being transmitted by order of the United States government. This is an emergency action notification message. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification. At this time, the government of the United States has declared a state of national emergency due to the current situation with Sonic.exe. Please stand by for further information. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. The following message is at the request of the United States government, North America Aerospace Defense Command, Homeland Security, and the United States Department of Self-Defense. This is not a test. According to NATO officials in Canada, Sonic.exe has successfully invaded Canada. The United States military has responded to the crisis and is currently using battlefield nuclear weapons. Please stand by, as there is an update on this developing situation. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. According to North America Aerospace Defense Command has detected 10 intercontinental ballistic missiles heading towards Beijing, China, Moscow, Russia, Tokyo, Japan, Pyongyang, North Korea, Seoul, South Korea, Mexico City, Mexico, Berlin, Germany, England, United Kingdom, Sochi, Russia, Washington, D.C., United States. President Trump will speak on all channels shortly. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. We are Fox 19 and we will continue to serve the Keaton, Kentucky area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information in your local area. Now transmitting to the President of the United States.
Hello, I am addressing the nation on behalf of President Donald Trump, as he is being taken to a safe location. Around 12:05 p.m. Eastern Time, 10 ICBMs were launched from Canada by order of Sonic.exe. At this time, the United States has ordered martial law until this situation is resolved. Thank you. May God bless America.
That was a message from an official from President Donald Trump. You are listening to the emergency alert system. All broadcasting and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This concludes operations conducted under the emergency alert system. All broadcasting and cable systems may resume their normal programming. This concludes operations conducted under the emergency alert system. All broadcasting and cable systems may resume their normal programming.
I underestimated the amount of time between each synapse router.
Maybe it didn't know.
This is CNN Breaking News.
Just firecrackers going off, so I look across the street and there's a man with a rifle.
Function at all.
Guys, Savitar said that we would use the cerebral inhibitor against DeVoe.
Yeah, he didn't say it was gonna.
The following message is transmitted by the Keaton, Kentucky Police Department. Reports of Sonic.exe is near St. Pius X School. Everyone in this area is advised to shelter in place at this time. To shelter in place, do the following: lock all doors, windows, and hide in a closet, basement. If no basement, get as many objects and put it between you and an interior wall. Please stand by for further information. The following message. According to Keaton, Kentucky Police Department and the Johnson County Police has reported that Sonic.exe has killed Chase Kossingens and Noland Ruth Satz has been found dead in a forest 5 miles outside of Keaton County. As of 1:37 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, President Donald Trump has ordered martial law and has declared war on Canada. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Johnson County area. Now transmitting you to a representative of the President Donald Trump.
Ladies and gentlemen, a representative of the President.
Hello, I am speaking on behalf of Donald Trump. The Central Intelligence Agency has found that the Canadian government is working with Sonic.exe and allowed them to use the nuclear missiles to attack the 10 countries, including the United States. As of 1:42 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, by order of the President, the United States is doing a retaliation strike against Canada. NATO has already begun preemptive military strikes against Canada. As of 1:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, United Kingdom Prime Minister Theresa May has declared war on Canada, and Russia's President Vladimir Putin has declared war against Canada. Thank you. God bless, and God bless America.
That was a message from a representative of President Donald Trump. You are listening to the emergency alert system. All broadcast and cable systems shall now transmit this emergency action notification message. Please stand by for further information. In response to Canada's actions, the United States has launched 5 ICBMs heading toward Ottawa, Canada. These missiles are expected to hit Canada in less than 45 minutes. The emergency alert system has been activated.
Another dimension, one that you can enter or exit at any location. Like how DeVoe captured me in that alley, but then he brought me back out to somewhere above the city. Are you saying that DeVoe's lair is in a pocket dimension?
Cisco, this is great.
Can we track him? That I'm still